In a world driven by ambition, innovation, and uncertainty, finance stands as the invisible engine powering progress. From the buzzing trading floors of global exchanges to the quiet screens of individual investors at home, money moves constantly, shaping economies, influencing governments, and transforming lives. Finance is more than numbers on a screen. It is the story of risk and reward. It begins with a simple idea: capital. When individuals save money, they create opportunity. Banks and financial institutions channel these savings into loans, allowing businesses to expand, entrepreneurs to innovate, and families to build their futures. This cycle of saving, investing, and growth fuels economic development across nations. Stock markets represent one of the most dynamic arenas in finance. Here, companies raise funds by offering shares to the public, and investors seek returns based on performance and potential. Prices rise and fall not only because of profits and losses, but also due to confidence, fear, and global events. Every chart tells a psychological story as much as a financial one. Beyond stocks, there are bonds, often considered safer investments where governments and corporations borrow money with the promise of repayment plus interest. Then come derivatives, complex instruments designed to manage risk or, at times, amplify it. These financial tools can stabilize markets, but when misused, they can trigger crises that ripple across the globe. The 21st century has introduced new dimensions to finance. Digital banking, fintech startups, and cryptocurrencies are reshaping how transactions occur. Mobile apps allow instant investing. Artificial intelligence analyzes market patterns in seconds. Financial access, once limited to major institutions, is now available to millions through smartphones. However, finance also carries responsibility. Poor regulation, excessive speculation, and lack of transparency have led to economic downturns that affected millions of ordinary people. Sustainable finance and ethical investing are emerging as responses prioritizing environmental, social, and governance standards alongside profit. At its core, finance reflects human behavior, our hopes, our fears, and our drive for security and growth. Whether in global markets or personal budgets, financial decisions shape the future. Understanding finance is not only about wealth, it is about empowerment, stability, and the ability to navigate an ever-changing economic world. This is the pulse of money, a force that connects individuals to industries, nations to markets, and present decisions to future possibilities.